Good morning plus 2 class. Today we will start our new chapter, that is third level by Jack Finney. Jack Finney is a famous American writer and he is famous for his thrillers and science fiction. Let's see the theme of the chapter first. This chapter actually deals with the theme of escapism, and also somewhat we see time travel also. So in this chapter there is a hint of time travel, and the basic theme is escapism. So let's understand first what is escapism. Escapism means when we are not satisfied with our present situations and we want to escape from them. We want to escape from our present reality and we want to go into the past time, or we want to go into the future time. That is the escapism. So the main character of our chapter is Charlie and Sam. Charlie lives in New York and he is a regular man, whereas Sam is a psychiatrist and he is a friend of Charlie also. Okay, the story actually starts with the Grand Central Station. It's the name of a railway station. This station has actually two levels. Two level means it has two platforms, and no third level was ever built. There is no third level, but the name of the chapter is third level. So what happens that one day Charlie, when come back from his office, he find himself in a new place and he considered it as a third level. So it means that he weaves a new story, he weaves a fantasy with reality. Okay, so in the real life there is no third level at all, but according to Charlie, third level was existed. Okay, so Charlie believes in the existence of the third level. And why he believes in the existence of the third level? Because according to him, the third level was operating in the world of 1894. It means that the lifestyle of the third level was of 18s. Okay, so that world is of 18th century, and according to Charlie also, 18th century is the world of much happier and quieter place to be. He actually wants to live in that place. He wants to live in the 18th century because according to him that is more happier and quieter place to be. That's why his mind made fantasy with the reality. According to him there is a third level and he can visit into the 18th century through that third level. So this chapter is actually a story which is somewhat based on the time travel, but the basic theme which we get to know from this chapter is that escapism is the main basic thing which the writer want to make us understand. Okay, so I'll provide you the detailed video of this chapter with line to line explanation, and this is actually the introductory part of chapter third level. So stay tuned for that video also.